Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Amal and in this video we're going to be playing Brookhaven for the very first time, and I don't know what happened. There's this car on fire and people are just trying to blow it. I don't know what's happening. Okay. So I don't know much about this game, but I do know that it's a roleplay game and I have watched a bunch of roleplays. So in this video we're going to be exploring Brookhaven. I was about to say adoptme. Okay, there's like the scooter. Why am I floating? But okay, never mind. First up, we have the grocery store. Let's see what happens. Okay. There's this cash register, some apples and Doritos. Okay, that's nice. Ice cream, pizza. There's like the circle area. What's this? Okay, you can't go inside. Can you use cars inside? It actually can. That's amazing. That's very helpful for me, and I think. We have, what's this? Dance studio, live studio, I don't know. It's like this. Whoa, what's this place? Moe's Pizza. Okay. We have a movie theater. Okay, I like that. Now playing first it doesn't let me go in. Okay, how do you get inside the movie theater? I literally have no idea. I like the scooter, it floats, and yeah, I like it. Popcorn. We have these stage. Okay, you can perform. Modeling. Okay. Electronics. You can even buy things. Okay. Eat fresh. That's interesting. Okay, we have the camping supplies, party area. Hey guys, so we even have a hair salon. I want to see. Wait, can you pick this up? Why am I walking with the skateboard? I don't know what's happening. Hair and makeup. Okay, can you sit here? I don't think so. Okay, I don't know. This game is kind of confusing. Oh, I can get a job here. I would like that. Okay, I don't think you are able to go past any of these doors. Oh, okay. This place is nice. This skateboard is so weird. Okay, these doors are kind of confusing, but okay. What do we have next? We have is this a police station? Oh, that's nice. Okay, Brookhaven Police. I want to be a police officer. I hate this skateboard thing. I know what's happening. Are you supposed to unequip it or something? Oh, I don't know. Okay, never mind. I think there's this? I don't know. Okay, I'm a police officer now. I don't know what's happening. This game is kind of confusing for me, if I be honest. We even have an arcade. Okay. I can play games there all day. I don't mind. I like the fact that you can use your skateboard or vehicles anywhere. BH games. Oh wow, this thing is nice. Birthdays? What? Huh? I've never heard this before. Ooh, wow. This is nice. This is fancy. Guys, where should we go next? Maybe the ice cream? I don't know, I like ice cream, so why not? I guess we can go there. I love my scooter so much. Vanilla, ice cream, birthday cake, mint, chocolate chip. Yo, I hate mint. It's weird. I don't know, I just hate it. Okay. What's this part? We have a secret passage over here. Ooh, this is nice. I like it. I think I should go back to exploring places a little more. What else do we have in here? Brookhaven, Parkland. Okay. We have a highway. I think there where the houses are. Okay. Ooh, the hospital. Okay, that's interesting. I think I'm breaking the rules by using my scooter everywhere, but that's okay. There's no police to catch us. Okay. Nice guess and okay. Surgery. Are there like the stools and stuff? Okay. This special VIP type room. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah. Extra machine. There's like this picture of a skeleton reacting the problems or something. I don't know. How do I get out? Okay. I am pretty much forgetting the ways, but that's fine. Do we have the fire station? I've never seen. Okay, actually I have. Let's see. How do I go in? I want to go inside the airport. I don't know how to go in. Yeah. That's the case with me. How do I get in? Okay. Can I use this door? Okay, no. Okay, it says through the window, rated #1 fire company in Madison County. Oh, isn't this Brookhaven? Who said Madison? I think we're going to the Brookhaven school next. I want to see how this looks like. I have the teacher, the student. I want to be the student. I don't know why okay. Math. Just go home. Okay, I'll go home. We have the principal's office. Okay, interesting. There's no principal, but fine. We have the auditorium. Why am I glitching so much? Okay. It's like, I like the fact that it shows the time. Okay, science, but just go home. Okay. That's why you need school. Tax. Okay, gym. It's empty. Fine. I'm not. Fine. It's fine. Why am I glitching so much? Okay, there's an upstairs. Okay. Ooh, we have VPN. I don't know, music lesson something. Art class? Is this the art class? Okay. What's this? Lighting room? Okay, I can't go in. We have the cafeteria. It's very nice. I guess I could say that. Let's see what else. What other buildings do we have in here? Here I found something interesting. We have Rockstar. I want to see. So are you supposed to touch? Oh, okay. Wow, that's nice. Oh, I like this. Okay, I don't like that one. I like my previous ones. Oh, this one is nice. Not that one. Okay, that's weird. Let's just keep this one. Okay, that's nice. Okay, I guess like this was it from my video. Hope you enjoyed. If you did, smash the like button, hit the notification bell, and I had a really fun time exploring Brookhaven. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Till then, bye.